Here we have for sale our April 2024 on a 24 plate Ford Transit Custom. This is the 300 model, which means it's got a 3-ton gross vehicle weight. This one's got the 2-litre EcoBlue Euro 6 diesel engine producing 136 PS, which is roughly 136 brake horsepower. That is accompanied with a 6-speed manual gearbox, and this is a short wheelbase limited, finished in the fantastic grey matte. And what we're going to do in this video is have a little walk around. I'll show you the spec that you get on a Ford Transit Custom Limited of this age. I'll talk you through all of the fantastic styling options that we have fitted to this van during our preparation. I'll also talk you through what we've done to it mechanically during our preparation for sale as well in our van specialist workshop, Bridgend Van Care. And have a really close look at, of course, the condition in detail as well. So starting here then at the rear of the vehicle, we can see that this one is spec'd with rear barn doors. So barn doors are 2 doors which open in that sort of fashion. On a limited, you get a number of elements which come color-coded. That includes things like the door handles, the bumpers, the mirrors, all come color-coded in the body color, which, as I say, in this case, is grey matter. Now, you get a host of parking aids as standard on the Limited, so you get rear parking sensors and front parking sensors completely as standard. But on the new model like this, you also get a reversing camera as well, which is also as standard on the Limited model. What I really like on these now, which I guess suits our styling very well, is all the badges come in gloss black. So the Transit and the Custom badge all come in gloss black. Even the rear lights, the sort of bezel on the rear lights, is all in gloss black as well, which, as I say, fortunately for us, ties in very well with the styling which we fit on to these vans, which includes things like the gloss black rear spoiler, which you can see there. Down below then, we've got this full low-line aero kit, which includes the rear splitter back here. There's also side skirts, a front splitter as well, which again are all just subtly finished in gloss black. There's a nice carbon rear bumper protector just there as well, which of course helps, protecting that rear bumper with cargo moving in and out of the back. But in terms of condition here, it is looking pretty much faultless, really. It's in absolutely stunning condition here at the back of the van. If we open up the rear doors, then we can start to have a look inside the back here. So when you open these doors, they will naturally go to a 90-degree position just there, and you can push them further open like so to go to a 180-degree opening position like that. Inside the back of the van then, we can see we have got full brand new ply lining in the back of here, which is looking absolutely stunning, and that's there for 2 reasons. It's one, of course, to protect the vehicle, so it's not going to cause any nasty outward dents in your van if you've got cargo moving around in here in the back, and of course it looks a bit nicer as well. Now guys, as you can see, the ply liner does a brilliant job. You can see the all the nice silicone sealing there around the wheel boxes, full rear door coverage, which you can see there. But yeah, it really does set the van off very, very well. You get LED load lights as standard, and there's also a little button just inside here, so you can actually use those 2 extra lights there at the back. You've got the full hard wearing plastic tray floor in here, and of course there's plenty of tie down points as well dotted around inside the back of the van. You've got that bulkhead as well, which has got the full lift up hatch, so you can load right the way through there underneath the passenger seat. But really just paying close attention to the attention to detail that our guys go to. You know, these exposed painted areas, there's, as I say, no stone left unturned. It is in absolutely stunning condition inside the back of here. So shutting these doors then, we'll continue to go around the outside of the van. So looking here then down the driver's side of the vehicle, and this is where I like to look in these reflections here. This is, yeah, again, just looking really faultless here. It's looking very, very clean and tidy indeed. Alloy wheels then, brilliant set of Caliber CV3 alloy wheels. Absolutely love this style of alloy. These are of course fully load rated with load rated tyres, so 103 load rated tyres, which is plenty enough for the weight of the van, and I think they just set it off so nicely. I think they look absolutely lovely. I say these nice gloss black side skirts which have been added. There's also a set of roof bars which have been added as well, and I'll talk you through a couple of bits around to the front in just a second. But inside the cab then, again, just paying close attention to the condition here, the step, the floor, the driver's seat. It's all in lovely order. You've got the driver's armrest, which you can set to your desired height. That's on a ratchet. Lovely condition, as I say, in here. 2 full keys are supplied with the vehicle, and they are keyless entry and keyless start. So you'll see on the door handles these little dimples just here, so you can press on that to lock the van. You put your hand behind the handle as long as you've got your key in your pocket, and you can unlock that door. And then once you're sat inside, key in your pocket, you've got the keyless start stop just there as well. Feels a very modern van to live with day to day. Electric windows, electric folding mirrors, of course, plenty of adjustability here for your driver's seat, auto activated lights, auto activated wipers. Inside then, I say these feel so modern inside here now. So you've got this nice virtual dashboard there in front of you, and you can change how that looks in front of you there with all your different onboard computer readings. 23,042 miles recorded. And then on the left hand side you've got this much bigger display over here, which is over 11 inches, this display, and this gives you DAB radio on here, but crucially it gives you wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto, and then all your controls here along the bottom. So you've got air conditioning, heated door mirrors, heated windscreen, heated seats. All of that is controlled along there as well. But as I say, feels a very, very modern screen. If I put the vehicle into reverse, got this lovely clear reversing camera display just there as well. Electric fly-off handbrake. You've got your cruise control on the left-hand side here. Onboard computer controls just here. A couple of USB slots under there as well, and a 12-volt socket. Yeah, it's a very, very nice place to be inside here. Indeed, as I say, no issues in terms of condition at all. The plastic's looking very nice. It is a very, very good example. Round to the front then, they come now with these lovely Ford LED headlights, as you can see there, that lovely LED daytime running light just there. The black honeycomb grille, this is an upgrade that we fit on the Transit Custom during preparation, which I think sets it off very nicely. You've also got the gloss black canards and also then the gloss black lower splitter just there as well. And having a look at the bonnet, of course you're going to get the odd little stone chip here or there, but generally speaking this is in absolutely just exceptional condition. It is there's really just nothing to fault here. It's looking very, very smart indeed. And then finally then down the passenger side here then, and again just paying close attention to the condition looking down there, it's very, very nice. If we open up the passenger door, the smallest little hairline mark just there, but opening up the passenger door just gives you another aspect here of the seats. Oh, the mat is trying to get away from under there. You can flip these forward and that gives you access to some extra storage there, which is out of sight underneath there. And as I always mention in these videos, even under the seats there, that just is a testament to the attention to detail that our guys go to when it comes to preparing these vans. Now during our preparation, I mentioned right at the start of the video, Bridgend Van Care, which is our van specialist workshop. They have carried out a full service on this vehicle, and of course a full multi-point health check, so the van is absolutely ready to drive away immediately from here at Bridgend Van Centre with a clean bill of health. You've got the balance of manufacturer's warranty until April of 2027 as well, so plenty of peace of mind there. Very appealing proposition, I think. We've got this advertised at a very competitive price range. We've got quite a few of these new shapes now in stock and ready to go there in the showroom. Grey matter, arguably the best colour to get one in. I think the styling is absolutely fantastic, and as I say, the price this is advertised at, this will not be with us here for very long. If you'd like to see the full advert, you can head over to our website there, bridgendvans.co.uk. That will include the price, the description and the photography of this van, and of course all of the others that we currently got advertised. We can arrange finance at very competitive rates. Of course that is subject to acceptance and status, and that is for limited companies or private individuals or sole traders. So whatever your situation, as I say, we may have a funding option there for you to spread that cost. We can of course arrange delivery nationwide, so if you're not local to us here in sunny South Wales, you can, as I say, based on the strength of the photography, this video, of course any questions over the phone, we can deliver this van to you wherever you are in the country. So by all means get in contact if that is the route you'd like to go down, and we can also take cars or vans in part exchange as well. Thank you very much for watching.